Have you wondered how to wash bra by hand? How to properly wash and dry your bra? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. This channel is all about homemaking made simple for modern women. Welcome and let's dive right in. So to start how to wash your bra by hand, I use a plastic tote like this to wash my clothes or anything that I'm washing by hand. I use this. Sometimes I use my sink, the basement sink, to do that. It's just easy sometimes to do, or I just use the plastic tote to do that. If I want to use the plastic tote, all I do is I just set it in here and then add the water to it before I start washing. So another thing also I do if I'm not using my sink, I get a table that is a little bit tall over my knee. That way I put my container or my tote on it and then I just fill it out. This way it's supporting my back. I don't have to bend down too much before doing my washing my clothes by hand. So I am going to do it this way, and then all I do is I add my water to this and just fill this up, or just as a little bit as much as you can. This is a lukewarm, it's not all that cold, just a little bit. All right, now we have a little water in here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use Tide. I love this. It cleans so good. It's really good to use. So I use this a lot for my laundry, whether I'm using a washer to do my laundry or if I'm doing hand wash my clothes. This is what I use. So I'm just gonna pour this here, and then I put this in my water first. Then I just mix this together. After that, I'm going to soak my bras in here. Alright, so I'm going to soak all this in. This is undergarments that we use. Can be very expensive when you buy them, depending on where you buy them. I buy expensive bra that really fits me right. So these are undergarment that needs to be taken care of all the time. You want to make sure that you are not washing your bras in a washer, because it will tear it off. It will destroy the rings in here and then also here. So you always want to hand wash your bras. It keeps them safe, it keeps them neat, and also it always maintains the texture. It doesn't stretch them too much. You don't want to ruin them, so always take good care of your bras. So we're gonna soak this in and leave it to soak for at least 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll just start washing this. I will be back when this is 30 minutes. So it's been almost 30 minutes now. Bras are very expensive. You know, you spend so much money to buy your bras, so why wouldn't you want to take good care of them? And so our advice, don't put your bra in a washer to wash your bra by hand. And how to do this is mostly the sweat and dirt are on here. This is a strapless bra. It doesn't have the strap on it. What I do is you wash here, you wash this first. You don't want to wash it too strong, just a little gentle. You have to be gentle on them. And then here as well, as you see, you wash this as well. It doesn't take long. Once you soak them, it's already ready. The stains, all the sweat are already ready to go off. You don't need to wash them too strongly, just gentle. And then also around here, the edges, the rings here, you just want to do that like that. And then this is your padded bra. All you just do is this, and then it should just come off right away. You don't have to spend too much time on them, scrubbing them too much, you know, just little, gentle on them, and then this is done. And when you are squeezing this, don't squeeze it like that, just gentle like this, you know, do it just gentle like that, and then that one is done, and then you move on to the next one. So this is the ones with the straps on them, and also the same way, just use them like that. I just rub them in my hand like that, just rub them in your hand just like that. And then this as well, the other side, just rub them. This side here, which is the under armpit, you just like that, and then you can see. And this is a padded one as well, just like that. And as you can see, your brush should be ready. It's done. For me, you can use a detergent, you can use a bar soap. I use either one of them to wash. Mostly if you want to use detergent, you can do that. I use bar soap sometimes to wash my clothes if I don't have any detergent, or I just feel like using something different. This is the Zoti. This is very, very gentle on clothes. If you need more, I just add something like that to it, just to the armpit, the straps. And then move on to this one, just this, and then the sides, the lines here, the rims here. Don't need too much there. And so that is done. We squeeze this out like that, and then we do the same thing for. If I need to add soap, I just add. You can add the detergent or you can add a bar soap. It doesn't matter, whichever way you want. So just gentle like that, and that's it. It should be done. Alright, so we are done with this one. Just squeeze it that way. And we're gonna pour this water out and get a new water and rinse our bra. So I'm using lukewarm. I'm going to rinse these bras. I always rinse my bra twice because it's padded. You have soap come in them, so I do it this way first. So I rinse them just this way, and then that will get the soap come out right away. Alright, so with that, once that is done, I squeeze them out like that. Alright, and then I just take this out as well. Just squeeze. Just squeeze. Squeeze. Okay, that is done. Then I'm just gonna add one more rinse. Then my hand wash bra is done. Just this way, and then you can see you don't see much soap scum coming out of here. It's done. You can see now, you know, all the soapy water, all the soapy scum, it's all out. So now as you can see, you don't have much. Now you know that your bra is all washed done. When you squeeze it like this, you see it's only water that is coming out. So this is done, ready to be dried. That's how you can see it's only water. Done. And that's it. So now how to hand wash your bra or your padded bra, or how to wash them properly and make so they don't stretch out. This is how you do it. Your bra is always in the same condition. They are not stretched out because you wash them gentle, giving them time, you give them care, you took the right care of them, and then they will last longer. So this is how you just wash your bra by hand, and it's so simple, easy to do. Now how to dry your hand wash bra. This is what I do. I get a hanger. This hanger is really good because you have these corners here that I just put it through, then just hang them right there. So what I do, I just put this way. You can just hang them on a dry line just like that, or you can just put them right around here. I try to do this one just like that, and then put the other one here, the straps. Just go underneath there like that, and then I hang it, and I just hang it like that. Just do the same like this, and then just try to make sure that you stretch everything out just like that, so everything is straightened up nicely, and then you just hang. Just put this with us. Just so easy like that. And then this one also. Just that way you keep everything neat and straighten up once it's dried. So, and this is strapless. So how are you going to hang this? I just put this in here like that, and then I just hang just in there like that. And then this, because you have the buttons here, it just start holding like that. See, just like that, and it just hang it. Once you have all your bras secure on a hanger, the next thing you want to do is make sure that all these strips are all straightened up. All you have to do is just stretch it up, and then everything will fall back on its own. So when they dry, you will not have any lines, any strip, or any squeeze in your bra. Everything will just come out right. So just make sure that it's all secured, fall off, secure right down in here, and that is done. And then do it for all the rest of the bra. Once it's all secure in here and here, make sure, like this one, make sure it's all stretched nicely. Just hold that material, pull it back like that, and then that should be done. Just like that. Do this way, and then it just fall on it. And you see that is done. That gone. The same thing with this. Just make sure that you just stretch it out a little, and it all fall back to normal or ready to go to be hung. Just straighten it up like that. See, that falls back to its normal. Same thing with this. Give it a little gentle pull, everything falls back, and that's it. All the sides, everything is good to go. Just make sure it's all secured right there, and that is secured in here as well. Then make sure that's all straightened out. There's not much on this one, and this straighten out. Just gentle like that, and then everything's in place, and that is done too. And then we are ready to hang. Now that we are done with the hand washing our bra, what I do is and hang everything nice. I just hang them on the drying line like that, and just make sure when it falls, just secure it and just hang them like that, and then just give them some space in between, and that's it. And then just let it air dry. Don't put them in a dryer, because when you do, it's just gonna mess it up. I don't put my bra in a dryer. I don't put them in a washer. I always hand wash my bras and then air dry them. You can dry this in your bathroom, or you can dry them in your basement, if whatever you have a space to dry them. But just know that it's gonna be drop of water. Yeah, if you have a floor mat, or if you have something on the floor, make sure that you get it off. If not, it's gonna get water soaking. But if it's just a floor like that, it just draws on the floor and you just wipe it off. That's what I do. So you just hang this and you are done. That's it. Just one day and this will dry it out. It doesn't take long to dry. So once it's dried, you still have your perfect hand wash bra still to use, and you want to take good care of your bras all the time. So I just show you how to wash bra by hand, how to properly wash your bras, take good care of them so they will last for you a long time. You know, bras are very expensive to buy. We invest a lot of money in them, so we want to take a good care of them so it will last for us as long as we want. And so benefit of hand washing your bras, it keeps them in the same form. It lasts longer for you. When you hand wash them, you still, all the strings that you have, everything will still stay intact when you hand wash and air dry them. So I always do that. Do not wash your bras in a washer. Do not dry them in a dryer, because destroy them. It stretch them out, and sometimes the springs, the rings in your bras would all come. It just destroy them. So hand wash your clothes most if you can. Hand wash your bras if you can. Always, it's beneficial for you, so you don't have to spend so much money trying to renew bra all the time. And I hope this video helps you to be able to hand wash your bras, hand wash them properly, and hand wash them the way it's supposed to, so they will last longer for you. If this video gives you any value, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me, and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my video. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.